Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is integrals. Evaluate 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. So first I take it as I equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Here cos square x, if we keep like this, we cannot integrate. For that we have to make a simple arrangement. That is, we know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So here from this we have to find cos square x equal to cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Now we have to separate this one, that is 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 0 to pi by 2, here dx, 1 by 2 dx. Now this one equal to 1 by 2. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x. So sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 dx. Integration of dx is x. X is 0 to pi by 2. First we have to apply the upper limit, then minus lower limit. So here 1 by 4. 1 by 4 I take it as outside. That is equal to sin 2x. Sin 2 into pi by 2. So cancel. What you get is sin pi. Sin pi minus sin 2 into 0, 0 minus sin 0. Plus here 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This one gets 0. Therefore, here 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here also sin pi 0. So 0. Then 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is pi by 4. 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is pi by 4. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.